guys, it's Lola. Today we're gonna making the slime challenge. Wow! Wait, where's our supply? So you make it appear with my wand. Whoa, I did not think that was gonna work. And these are the supplies that you will need. This is our glitter slime. Here you can see purple, teal, and pink. And you also need glitter, and whatever this is and whatever these are. And this is the color change glue, dark glue. And you need bowls like these type of things, like that one, and that's all what you need. I'm gonna choose the glitter because it has glitter and like blue and. Okay, let's get started. So first we're gonna add all of this into one whole bowl. Cue the time lapse. You can choose if you want glitter or not. It doesn't really matter. I'm going to add some in just in case. Now I'm going to add some cherry activator. So guys, I think it's going to become slime. Wow! Stretchy! There are the things you can play with slime, I guess. Stretch. Got some. Stick to my hand, I can't get myself out. Oh, drip. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, maybe share it with your friends if you want to. I'll be seeing you guys around soon. Bye.